our office had won a settlement from the residential mortgage-backed securities issue that plagued us during the financial crisis that began in 2008. And we had $8.7 million that was to be distributed for housing-related purposes in our state. And we wrote to the governor and said, look, legal services in a crisis, legal aid and various other legal services for people who don't have means, they've essentially lost all their funding. Their funding comes from fees on court filings and from interest on lawyers' trust accounts. Well, there's no interest anymore. I mean, we're basically down to where banks pay zero or just a tiny amount in interest on accounts. And court filings had plummeted. So they were out of money. They are out of money. And they were, I think, really fearful if they may have to shut down, start laying people off and shut down right at the time when we're looking at a huge increase in eviction filings in our state. So the governor was able to take $3 million from general funds. We had $8.7 million in this settlement, and a total of $11.7 million will be used to keep legal services available to people who are facing the loss of their homes and facing other very serious legal consequences, but they can't afford lawyers to represent them. So this is, I think, a big win for everybody who is facing financial difficulties as a result of the COVID-19 crisis.